बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अल्लाह ताला की रहमत, करम, फजल और शुक्र के साथ करते हैं आज की वीडियो का स्टार्ट। टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट डिस्कशन अबाउट क्रिटिकल कंडीशंस because these critical conditions are very important due to exam point of view. Therefore, in this session, I will discuss only topics from the critical conditions like from CVS, from respiratory system, GIT, hormonal system, women health, etc. But later in other session, I will discuss the diseases system-wise like ophthalmology, psychiatry, CVS, respiratory system, GIT, women health, and many more. I want to tell you one good news that the doctors who want to take these MRCGP international exam but are very busy due to working in ER or in their general practice and don't have much time to read from books or from notes and don't have time to take online courses. Now they leave their worriness and watch these videos regularly regarding MRCGP International exam. I will discuss every topic in a very easy way that you only need time to watch these videos and remember all material inside it and discussion inside it and sit in the exam and pass with good score. One more thing I want to tell the doctors who are living in Saudi Arabia or in the Emirates like in Dubai, Sharjah, Abu Dhabi or in Kuwait, all the doctors who are living all over the world, they can get more knowledge from these videos because I am going to discuss every topic in a very easy way with many formulas and tricks to remember everything. Today I am going to discuss about the cardiac arrest. This cardiac arrest is also a critical condition. Therefore, I will tell you about the cardiac arrest. What is cardiac arrest? Now I want to discuss the cardiac arrest with you. First of all, I want to tell you cardiac arrest have 4 other names. Please remember these names. The first name of the cardiac arrest is the cardiopulmonary arrest. The second name of the cardiac arrest is the circulatory arrest. The third name of the cardiac arrest is the sudden cardiac arrest. The fourth name of the cardiac arrest is the sudden cardiac death. You remember please these 4 names. Now you can see this picture. This picture of a person who suddenly fall down and become unconscious. Then the team in the hospital or outside is doing CPR on him. You can see CPR being administered during a simulation of cardiac arrest. This cardiac arrest I already discussed you. Now I will tell you about the cardiopulmonary resuscitation, CPR. Now I will tell. I am going to discuss about the cardiopulmonary resuscitation, CPR, because CPR is very important during cardiac arrest. What is CPR? CPR is the cardiopulmonary resuscitation. Is an emergency procedure that combines chest compression, often with artificial ventilation, in an effort to manually preserve intact brain function until further measures are taken to restore spontaneous blood circulation and breathing in a person who is in the cardiac arrest. You can see another picture. In this picture, In this picture also, the person he was going outside with his family. Suddenly he fall down, he become unconscious, he don't have breathing. Therefore CPR team came and started the CPR on him. Therefore please remember these all lines and all discussion which I told you. One more thing about the CPR, it is recommended in those who are unresponsive with no breathing or abnormal breathing, for example agonal respiration. One more thing about CPR, this is very important line. This line is very important and please remember it about CPR. CPR involves chest compression for adults between 5 cm or 2 inch and 6 cm or 2.4 inch deep and at a rate of at least 100 to 120 per minute. Now I will tell you some tricks and formula about this cardiac arrest. You please remember C for cardiac arrest and C for CPR. C for cardiac arrest and C for CPR. And please remember also this CPR chest compression for adults is 5 to 6 cm deep. Okay, and the rate is 100 to 120 per minute. Okay, today in this video I told the discussion about CPR and the cardiac arrest. Okay, please for more videos please subscribe my this channel which name MRCGP International South Asia AKT Preparation. Please subscribe my this channel and send to other your friends for subscription and get more knowledge. And also please press the button icon for more latest videos. Thank you very much. Inshallah see you soon with the next topic and the next video.